Okay, so today I've got a broken knife for you. Well, actually, the blade. The blades aren't broken. Blade 1, small blade. And blade 2, how about this? There's blade 2. Okay, so I bet you think this one's made in China, but it's not. It says on the blade, Valor, number 11554, Japan. How do you like that? And it says stainless steel on the back. Okay, so here's the front. Here's the back. I don't know what happened to the back part of the handle, but apparently somewhere along the way it came off. So that's it. 2 blades, Japan, and broken. Okay, I'll see you next time.